Hi, welcome to Carmela's Food One-on-One today. We're going to be discussing parsley, beautiful parsley in my garden. Do you know that parsley is over 2,000 years old? You know, we use it as a garnish, but we've forgotten the healing agent of what parsley can actually do for us, the beneficial that it has for us, that we can put it in our food, we can use it in our salads, we can make pesto with it. It is just beautiful. My mum, Serena, used to make this beautiful samorigio, it's called in Sicilian dialect. She used to chop up so much parsley and dice it so fine, and then she would cut up some garlic and put salt and pepper and virgin olive oil, and then she would put it on top of grilled swordfish. Now, I can't even tell you how amazing the flavour that bursts through while you're eating that. But you can add parsley to everything that you do. It's got vitamin K in it. It's got vitamin C. It boosts your immune system. Do you know it even's got iron? How amazing is this beautiful, beautiful herb that we have in our garden? So many people today are using those ones that you squeeze on and you put on, and they're using the dry one. But how about we just get some parsley seeds and put them in a pot? You know how much you feel better about that you've grown it, and that you can go in the back of your garden and just take it twigs at a time and chop it up and put it onto your grilled chicken, grilled meat, fish. You put in salads, you do it in pesto. There's so much versatility, and we don't even realize that this beautiful herb and what it can do for each one of us. The next time that you look at parsley, I'd like for you to look at it in a different context and realize that it's got so much for you and me that we can really benefit out of parsley. See you next time on Food One-on-One with Carmela. Bye.